I'm so like.
Hey guys,
That's why I make them and give them to people.
don't do stupid shit.
This is the only hat that that's handmade and I'm wearing.
Oh.
So be proud.
Wait, are you gonna eat lunch over there?
Sit there.
Can you guys like be fast? I did time lapse, buddy.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's just sick.
Oh. You sick?
Yeah.
Cough it out.
I actually want to keep
No,
it in.
puke it out.
I actually want to keep it in.
Look, watch this. Look, that's all me and Math fast.
Who do you have for math?
Foreman.
Yeah, just sit down, please.
I'm gonna throw my gum out. I'll be right back.
Bruce says sit.
Let me see your mouth. Are you coughing up blood? No, you're not. Porto, buddy. You gotta go to the nurse. No, dude, you're coughing up blood. Oh my god. I was trying to keep it cool because I'm like, I can't make you panic. Oh my god. What is...
A shit ton of sugar.
I hate you. Made me think, oh, you were dying or something. I'm like, no, wait.
I mean, I had to quickly change up my plans since I couldn't walk you guys to
Yeah.
like the lunchroom.
Wait, maybe we can see them from right here.
Oh, wait, where's it?
Right here.
Okay, so I already got Brisa with that. Sadly, her reaction was not what I wanted.
Oh, it's just, I didn't want to like panic him because I'm like, what if he panics and then I panic and it's just like, ah. So, hey. But-
I hate it.
So, I think we can get a better reaction out of Misty and Michelle. I think Michelle's gonna be a good one.
Okay.
So we're gonna set up the cameras and it'll probably be fun. Yeah, it'll be fun. Alright, go check out the books.
What?
Go check out the books. Get set up. Wait, Misty, Patty, come here. Come on. Come here.
Piece of shit.
Look what Patty.
Oh yeah, come here.
Patty drew a penis? God
Come
damn it,
here.
Patty.
Oh, we're gonna cut you out. Gosh. Do you see that?
That mustache will never go away, will it?
It will. He agreed to.
Hey, buddy.
Eduardo, come here. Look at it.
Buddy, when? Tell me the new date.
What?
Hey, don't die on me yet, buddy.
You okay, bud? Eduardo. Buddy.
Adam, you're the fucking karate man.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. I feel like having...
Are you okay? You still go away. Dude.
Jesus Christ. Is she dying? What? Is that a brain? You're such a fucking... Oh, I can't even stand next to you.
Don't worry, I also got Brisa. That makes you happy.
You know the sad part is, I don't think she was standing in the angle, so I don't even think we got her.